something is changing out there. New routes are opening. Planets are filling with life again. What better moment to see it all clearly? Cities that feel alive at night. Outposts you can spot from miles away. To be prepared what is left in the dark. For now. Now's a good time to step back out there